guys! So it's been a while since I posted a yoga video, and today I decided to talk about the hands, especially the hands in downward facing dog. I get a lot of students complain of wrist pain, or the tendency is there's too much pressure here on the pinky pad side of the palm, and that's causing a lot of compression in the delicate joints and bones in the wrist. And so the question is, how do we protect the wrist? Okay, and most of the time it's all about engaging in your hands, as we should do, engage in all postures energetically. Every posture has an animation to it, so with every posture we should always be looking to doing something more subtle within the posture in order to expand the body. When it comes to the hands, you know, I've heard lots of cues saying, really spread the fingers out wide, or press down into the mat. And I've tried it all, but the thing that's really working for me right now, what I really like, is the imagination that my hand is like the sun, and the fingers are the rays of the sun, and like the sun, it wants to shine. So with my hand I have the imagination of the palm shining out the rays, so the fingers shining out and reaching out, so that the energetic reach is out through the wing, not wide, but out in the direction of the finger is where I'm sending my energy. You know, and that takes me from sort of a dead hand where I dump all the weight here. If I start to spread the energy and send it out through my fingertips in the direction of my fingers, then you can see how the hand elongates. And so that's what I try and do when I'm on the mat. And what it does is it evenly activates all the muscles in the hand, and I get a nice even spread of my hand against the floor and my finger pads. Sometimes my fingertips lift up, which is fine, because what I'm feeling is a really stable grounding of the what are these called? Base of the fingers. Oh my god! And here it's a nice even spread and contact. So either shine the hands out like suns, the fingers reaching out and away in the direction of the fingers, or you can think of your hands like a plant, a tree, and the fingers are growing out and away. So reaching out energetically this way. So if your hands are on the floor, it's almost like you know, when you're shining out through the fingers, it's almost like there is a pushing of the floor away from you, like this. Obviously that's not happening in real life because your hands are grounded, but energetically you can feel that very subtle action of the fingers reaching out. And what it actually does when you do that is it sends the opposing force up the arm, and so it starts to elongate the arm, elongates the side body. So if I just show you now in my downward facing dog, so I'll just come into a really lazy arm. I'm just going to dump into my hands. And so right now, if I don't try at all, what tends to happen is the second finger lifts, and all the weight is coming here under the pinky side of the palm. So then if I start with the imagination and the intention to shine or grow the fingers out and away from themselves, then energetically the hand starts to activate all the little muscles in there. And it's as if I'm pressing the floor away from me, and you can see that stretch and extension coming down the arms, down the side body. And always remember to relax the head. And then from there you really feel like your down dog is doing something. It's actually stretching the whole upper body, from the fingertips through the arms, under the armpits and side body, all the way down to the hips. So, you know, that's another way to think of it as well. What am I trying to do with my upper body in my downward facing dog? We're always trying to open, we're always trying to unblock, we're always trying to stretch, to elongate, to clear our energy channels, right? So that's only possible when we reach along that line, okay? So we have to try and imagine that we're stretching this whole line in our downward facing dog. So give that a go. Sorry, I didn't have the vocabulary for the different parts of the hands, but yeah, that's all gone from my medical knowledge. So give it a go, let me know how that feels. It's really grounding and protecting for the wrists, and helps you build strength in the hands, in the forearm, upper arm, shoulder. Like it engages the whole line there, and so you start actually using, you know, all the muscles and coordinating your energy body in a more united way, instead of thinking, oh, spread the fingers, press the hands down, roll the shoulders in. Well, if you just think, well, I'm just going to stretch and try and stretch the whole side body from finger all the way down to my hip, then everything should slowly come together and knit together in that one intention. Alright, that's 6 minutes. Let me know how that goes.